If you want to know how to make $300 per hour day trading in these markets, look, I'm going to break this thing down. I'm going to take live trades and I want to show you exactly how this is done. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. But before we get into that, I know I got to give you a scripture today. Psalms 34:19. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but it is the Lord who delivers him from them all. All this means is that you're going to go through a lot of stuff in this life, right? Loss, a little bit of everything, but it's always going to be the Lord that's going to deliver you out of that situation. Just because you saved don't mean you ain't gonna go through nothing. Some people get that misconstrued, all right? So just know God is right there by your side like nationwide. You know what I'm talking about? All right, so look, we're gonna get straight into this video so I can show y'all exactly how to do this. Let's go. So boom, setups that I love right here. Outside the Keltner joint, stochastic high, that's certified sell-offs. You know what I mean? For at least a minute or two. Now Monday, trend, so we could be going up. You gotta realize that. So you've been doing this for a long time, you could tell. All right, so when that happens on Mondays, which I already got a lot of zones up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and boom. So what I'm looking for on the higher time frame is a zone to the left that had a drop. The market is right here. This is currently where we're at, which it did drop a little bit, so this could be a good drop right here. The major one is up here at the top, so that's why we got 4 entries. All right, make sure with everything, whether you're using the systems, whatever you do, use 4 entry rule, you're gonna be all right. All right, 4 entry rule get you right every time. So boom, sell first, even though I feel like that's still gonna go up right now. But if it don't, cool, we in there. And then from here, I'm gonna go to 120. I'm actually looking for a better entry. Let me make sure. Sometimes I gotta go all the way to the left, bingo. So I do see one. So we got another one right here. So we might be all right, maybe. Let me see. Because we are at a zone right here to the left as well that I can see. So we might be all right. I didn't even realize it was a zone right there because the other one's up there. But one thing I want y'all to know is that if you're using 10 for the win on Mondays, just know that the market could take longer to turn around because you're going against the trend. So use the true trend system if you're using that one. That'll be better on Mondays. Zones really works any day, so it don't really matter. 2, 1, money. Run me that bag. All right, so first trade successful. Easy money, all right? So just goes to show, without the system, you can still trade. But again, if you don't got time to be looking for all that, the system is what helps, and that is below. You got to the end of this month, the 31st, and the price will go up. My people. It's been in high demand. People loving it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But again, it's not needed. I make these systems for myself. When I don't feel like looking at the chart, I can just, you know what I'm saying, give me a little signal and get up out of there. But if I feel like analyzing, I will. So this will be my first trade on this one, which I wasn't supposed to go in at 120, but that's cool. First trade on this one because we're pretty much at this zone right here. If it bounces, if it goes any further than this, my next zone is going to be here. The reason why is because the market already rejected here and bought really big. So that will be my next entry. So from here, let's go. I did 120. So I'm going to do 225. It'll be my next entry. And I'm waiting for it to either get here or as close to here as possible before I enter my next one. Which it might be turning around now. I don't know. We're getting close. Let's see. We might not have to do nothing. Let's see where it go. Hey, 4, 3, 2, 1. I guess we don't have to do nothing. Cool. Boom. So y'all see how I'm lining that up? We looking good. These first trades of the day, baby. These are first trades of the day. So hopefully you seeing exactly how to get this thing rolling. You know what I mean? I usually go back to 80. And I keep it going. All right. So that's why zones to me is probably the most powerful when it comes to trading binary options, because you get those rejections and the market is basically telling you exactly what it's going to do. We came down here before, we rejected here, shot straight up. So chances are somewhere in this area, we should get a rejection and we should go up. Not sure how high, but if it continues down, you just find the next zone that shot straight up. All right, and that's your next entry. And then you find the next one, and then the next one. And you just keep doing that. Buy, buy, buy. Simple as that. Very simple strategy. Don't take a lot of time to do. A lot of y'all shouldn't even be in the market as long as y'all are. Some of y'all are just new and y'all excited, but I would say you should not be in the market no less than an hour or two. Really, 2 hours is too long sometimes. I ain't gonna lie to you. Within an hour, you should have been got your profit and got up out of there. Now, if you're already getting your butt kicked and you're trying to revenge trade, that's why you're in there a little bit longer. But usually, it don't take more than an hour to get it done. And that's just training yourself to be that good. So that way, once you finally become full-time doing this, an hour out your day, and then you done made your bread, now you can do whatever you want. Versus being on a chart for 8 hours. People just be in here trying to make $1 million. And I'm like, bro, just chill, let it come. It's gonna come. This one already got a good rejection. GBP JPY right at this zone. So y'all see, we got a big buy here, and now he buying up good. So I actually missed this one. I wish I would have gotten this one. But if he does come back down, one thing you can do, come over here to the side, set you an alert with this little bell, click that, and it'll notify you if it gets back low. All right. So this is the type of stuff that I look for every day. I'm looking for it every day, trying to find something that's going to get me right. 300 to 500 a day is all I need. Again, I have days where I go in. Like, last week, I think? Made 4,000 in one day. But I don't try to do it every day. Some days I'll be like, let's get it. Some days I'm chilling. But if the market stressed me out early, I'm trying to be out of there. So that's one thing I need y'all to know. You feel me? So let me see if I can find something else. We're going to get in something else. But right now, I ain't looking for nothing yet. So I'm going to be right back. All right, yeah, I found the setup. The sell already happened, but I do see buys coming on this one. We got buy zones here, basically here, and right there. So we should be going up here shortly. So I want to get in pretty early. I'm going to buy here. All right, if we come any lower, I got a few more areas. So we got this whole section here, which I'm about to mark up. All right, so between, again, all of these rejections here, this rejection here, section here, we got a couple more rejections here. I feel like we should get a good buy. All right, based on that, you should be more confident at going a little more riskier on your trades, because that's what the market does. Now, as long as there's no news at the moment, which I don't know, I didn't check, which is my fault if it don't go. But you should be, you should be good to get at least one of these. All right. Now, again, shorter trades might have a little more anxiety attached to them, but you got your longer trades, which I'm trying to wait to see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna double up here on this one. Double up with a 120, two 120s. All right. And for the buy. Again, why? We got multiple buy areas. We went up, expecting a pullback, some type of buy. All right. If not, then we're gonna come down here to these zones, which I'll do my third entry. And then this zone, somewhere fourth entry. And if it don't go in there, then hey, I was just wrong. But for the most part, we should get the buy we deserve, and that looks like the buy we deserve unless we reject heavy and come back down. So we're gonna see if this one holds. Hopefully we do. If not, I don't know. We coming into the second candle. Yeah, I know I hate second candles because they be volatile. I just need the volatility to go in the right direction and not the wrong one. There we go. Go on, get up there. Go on, get up there. That's money in the bank, man. Tell them to stop playing with us. Do you understand what I'm saying? And that's how you make money, man. Every day. Zones is the way to go, baby. You dig? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So let's see where we at. $242, 6 trades. That's a good day, man. Your job, listen. I ain't even stressed out. I'm over here clicking these good old buttons and making this paper. You feel me? Yeah, hey, tap in. Oh, here we go. All right, this might be my last one here, y'all. It might be my last one, so we definitely going buys on this. Hit him with Let me see what I want to hit him with. Do I want to hit him early or do I want to wait? We got a lot of rejection coming up on this joint right here. I see this heavy rejection here. Don't know how strong it is, so we're gonna find out. I see the real heavy one. Yep, that's there. So I got that marked up right. I need to go to the left sometime, just see if there's any more rejections. I see a couple. This one was a big one. That's where the market is at now. And then let me bring one down a little bit. And all I'm doing is just finding areas that bounced and went the opposite way. That's it. Once you find those, you're good to go. All right, so all these is my buy zones. I'm gonna start hopping in. That's the first one. All right, first buy. Now that I got my buy zones, I'm confident. You know what I mean? I should be expecting a buy between one of these here. So once you got your buy zones up, you're like, all right, bet, let's get it. You got your 4 entry rule. I got at least 4. Got 1 here, 2, 3, 4. And then I should be good. If we don't go in that time, then I just be done for the day. But until then, we still going, baby. All right, just be confident. Don't be nervous. And just remember, if you're eating in the demo, you can eat in the live. It's just all about the psychology of it. That's it. It's no difference. Just do the same thing every day. Get more confident in raising your amounts, and you're going to be all right. So we got 10 seconds left, and we are about to be in the money yet again. Tell them to stop playing with us. This is what we do. God is good. All glory, honor, and praise to who? Jesus Christ. You already know the vibes. So now let's see what today's profit is. Yo, and as you can see, I'm at my $300 for the day. Hey, that quick. I got to see the whole thing. Missed the vibes. 7 trades, only missed 2. I mean, that's a good day right there. You know what I'm saying? And I could keep going, but guess what? It's important to know when to stop. You know what I'm saying? I've learned that over these years. While you're up, you made your money, you feel good, go ahead and stop for the day. Don't do it to yourself and keep hopping back in. Mess yourself up and be like, dang, I should have stayed out. Don't even get to that point no more, y'all. Just go and make your money and get on up out of there. You know? Unless you having one of them days where you really feeling it, you in the vibe, you in the zone, then them days you might run with it, but every day don't need to be like that. Little by little, remember that, all right? I love y'all. Hopefully this helped you. I'll see y'all in another one, Lord willing. Peace.